Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, on eToro step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. Then you will get here. Next, tap on the search bar and start typing Bitcoin. Select it. And now tap the trade button to start your purchase. Decide how much you would like to invest. The cool thing is that you can actually buy just a fraction of a Bitcoin. You don't need to buy a whole one. You can adjust a few settings as well. Right here, for example, you can set a stop loss price, which tells eToro to automatically sell your position if its value drops to that level, but it's possible to set it after the purchase as well. Under order type, you can pick market to immediately buy at the current price, or limit if you want to set a specific price. Finally, click on buy, and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investment by tapping on the pie chart. Here you can see all of them, and please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.